Shannon. I'm an acrylic artist in Denver, Colorado. So COVID-19 affected me the most I gave up my studio and I'm working in my garage, which has actually been amazing because I didn't realize how comfortable it was working at home, where I could go inside and outside all day, and I have a lot of room in there. So I'm making myself at home and I'm not sure I'm going to get a studio again. So how I'm adapting to all the changes is I'm just floored by how much more time I feel I have by staying home. So I've been really concentrating on marketing, and I got a couple of magazine articles and a couple of new shows next fall and winter. And I am helping my friends who are realtors stage their homes with my art. So I think that anyone who enjoys my work and has bought from me before, certainly, but even new people can call me for a commission. If I tend to work a lot in greens and blues, purples and pearls. Those are my colors because I'm really all about nature, but I love doing commissions and I love seeing the fabrics and the wall colors of what other people live in. I'm actually doing a lot of commissions right now. Check out my work at GabrielleShannonStudio.com and follow me on Instagram at Gabrielle Art Studio.